A ruling from the Alabama Supreme Court is drawing new attention to what police can ask for during an encounter. The court says officers may request physical identification if someone gives what they consider an incomplete answer when identifying themselves. This comes after the arrest of an Alabama pastor who was watering a neighbor's flowers. News 19's Dallas Parker explains what the court's decision could mean for you.
Well, a ruling from the Alabama Supreme Court is drawing some new attention to what police say they can ask for in the encounters with people who are on private property. The court's interpretation says officers may request physical identification if someone gives what they consider an incomplete answer when they are identifying themselves. So police in Childersburg in 2022 responded after a caller reported someone unfamiliar outside a home while the owners were out of town. Officers arrived to find Pastor Michael Jennings watering flowers in that yard. Now, Jennings told police he lived across the street and was watching the home for his neighbors, but when officers asked for his identification, Jennings refused, telling officers his name was Pastor Jennings. He was arrested and charged with obstructing a governmental operation, though that charge was later dismissed. Now, the incident eventually made its way to federal court, where judges asked the Alabama Supreme Court to clarify how the state's stop and identify laws should be interpreted. The Alabama Supreme Court says officers can actually request physical identification during a lawful stop if a person's response about who they are is incomplete or unsatisfactory. So that's up to that officer's discretion. The ruling interprets Alabama's stop and identify law and will guide how courts across the state will handle similar cases. Now, this is not the law just yet. The Alabama Supreme Court says confirming someone's identity is a key part of an investigative stop, and officers are not barred from asking for that physical identification if they believe the information provided is not enough. Coming up at 6, what the Alabama NAACP thinks about the recent ruling.
All right, thank you, Dallas.